While the holidays are associated with being merry, cheering, and bright, sometimes that is not the case for everyone, especially if you suffer from seasonal holiday depression. And joining us now to talk more about this and how you can help combat the holiday blues is Omni Family Health's Dr. Gina Garbell. It's good to see you.
Nice to see you, Jessica.
Thanks for being with us. Will you explain a little bit about what holiday depression is?
Yeah, absolutely. Holiday depression can occur with anyone, even if they don't have a history of depression, and it can be brought on by the stressors that come up with the holiday season. Although it can be a joyous season for some, it can be very stressful, emotional, and lonely for others. We have a lot of demands on our time during the holidays. We have financial stressors trying to do things like travel or purchase gifts. We may have loved ones that we miss, and all of these things can contribute to feelings of depression.
Can someone who normally doesn't suffer or does not suffer from depression be depressed over the holidays?
Absolutely. Like I mentioned, the stressors that are involved with the holidays can prompt depressed feelings in anyone. Also, there is a type of depression called seasonal affective disorder, and it occurs during the fall and winter months, which happens to coincide with the holiday months, and it is triggered by the reduction in sunlight that we experience during the colder months.
What are some of the triggers that increase depression around the holidays that people can look out for?
Well, when it's the holiday season, there's often more commitments, whether it's getting together with family or going to holiday parties. And when we already have busy schedules, trying to fit in these extra events can be very stressful. Financial stressors can be an issue. Holidays usually involve some level of spending, and missing loved ones is a big trigger. A lot of times we have loved ones who have died, or we may not be able to see during the holidays. That can definitely contribute to feelings of depression.
What is something that loved ones or friends can do to support someone with symptoms of depression during the holidays?
Probably the best thing that people can do is just listen and validate the feelings of their loved ones. Don't try to fix their feelings. Try not to, shame them for how they're feeling or minimize how they're feeling, but just really listen. And it can also be recommended that somebody seek the professional help from a behavioral health specialist.
What are some tips that you could give to help someone who might be experiencing some seasonal depression?
I would recommend definitely increasing self-care activities like exercising, taking rest breaks from a busy holiday schedule, and spending time with people who bring them joy. I would also recommend, saying no if you feel exhausted and tired and feel like you cannot attend an event or do something for someone. It's okay to say no. I would also consider disconnecting from social media if seeing other people's holiday content contributes to sadness. If you cannot overcome feelings of depression on your own, please reach out and seek the support of a behavioral health specialist.
Yeah, and what services does Omni provide to help someone struggling with holiday depression?
Omni has a behavioral health team comprised of psychiatrists, psychologists, and therapists who provide individual therapy for children, teens, and adults, substance abuse counseling, psychiatric medication management, and medication-assisted treatment for opioid addiction.
Dr. Garbell, thank you so much for joining us. For anyone who wants more information on this, the website is omnifamilyhealth.org, or you can give them a phone call as well. Thank you.
Thank you.